For me, there's still an element of excitement every single time I get on one of our boats. And I get to experience what we've created.
The idea behind Flux Marine was really there has to be a better, more sustainable way to propel a boat, and Flux Marine was the vessel by which to do that.
Flux Marine is building an all-electric, zero-emission electric outboard system to be the first true drop-in alternative to a combustion-powered boat.
We're building, a team right here in Bristol, Rhode Island that is really a group of marine electrification experts, something that the marine industry hasn't ever seen before.
We've been very fortunate to build a tremendously talented team of primarily engineers, but also non-engineers as well.
The team is such an important part of what we do. We're building a technology company. So finding those people and building the right team and pulling together the right pieces is so valuable, especially at our stage. So the uniqueness of Flux Marine really lies in our ground-up approach. What we're doing is we've built an electric propulsion system completely from the ground up. There's no fumes, there's no exhaust, really reducing maintenance, reducing noise, and offering a product that compares similarly, if not better in most applications, to a conventional gas outboard.
Everything you think about in a gas engine, we've gotten rid of. Instead of having mechanical shifting bevel gears, we use a synchronous belt. Instead of having through-hub exhaust, meaning the exhaust comes out of the center of the propeller, we have no exhaust, so we're able to redesign the propeller for much better hydrodynamics.
There are a number of innovations that we've been able to incorporate, leveraging new enabling technologies. Some of these include using advanced additive manufacturing in our components, as well as using technology such as computational fluid dynamics paired with generative design, which allows us to actually get a heat transfer which was never really previously seen possible. Our flagship motor is the 100 horsepower outboard. This has the same top speed, same propeller shaft power as a 100 horsepower gas engine, only faster acceleration and no noise.
Creating the right user experience has always been one of the core pillars of Flux Marine. And the 100 horsepower specifically is that sweet spot where 100 horsepower can propel a 21-foot boat, a family-sized boat, for almost any activity you'd need. We're not trying to do something so radically different that it alienates people, but we're trying to do something that evokes excitement, innovation, but still makes you feel comfortable with what's powering your boat.
So 2024 is all about mass production. We've really fallen in love with a product that we've built, and the next phase for the company is all about taking that one-off system and being able to multiply that at scale. We have this backlog of revenue that we've built with customers who really want the product that we're building, extensively validating the user experience. And now it's all about repeating that experience, repeating the product that we've built, and bringing that to the masses, putting a Flux Marine outboard in the hands of every single customer who wants one.
Over the last few years, we've come a long way. It started off as 3 guys in a shop really, and now today we're 50 people, and we still have a long way to go, but we're a whole lot closer than we were, because our end goal is to revolutionize this industry and be the first true alternative to combustion motors.
The long-term goal for Flux Marine is always to operate on the frontier of what's possible when it comes to marine electrification. Whether that's expanding with additional boat packages, building higher horsepower outboards, inboard systems, we're certainly going to push the boundaries. And I think we owe it to our customers, employees, to always be on the frontier of innovation. We really do want to define what happens in the industry, not follow a trend.
What we're doing is nearly impossible. The chances of failure are incredibly high. But with the right support system and the right team, I like to think there's no way we can't succeed.